Introducing an extraordinary specimen of Brazilian Smoky quartz, hand-carved to the precise specifications of Dr. Marcel Vogel. With its exceptional quality, this smoky quartz radiates rich waves of smoky coloration, offering grounding and protection to shield against negative energy. It promotes balance and stability, helping to restore a sense of inner harmony. This powerful crystal wand is more than just a work of art. It's a tool for energy transformation, aligning with the root and sacral chakras to keep you centered, grounded, and connected. Experience the energy. Embrace the power of smoky quartz.